Welcome to the future of drone training operations. Introducing Mach's FPV Drone Simulator, powered by Mach 1, delivering unparalleled realism and control for surveillance and tactical missions. This simulator prepares warfighters to operate FPV drones with precision and confidence, building critical skills in maneuvering, targeting, and execution without risking equipment or personnel. Designed for both surveillance and high-stakes kamikaze missions, the simulator delivers realistic visuals through an immersive first-person drone view, allowing operators to monitor enemy movements in real time and execute precise strikes on targets. Powered by Mach 1's VR forces for dynamic mission planning and customizable environments, and Mach 1's VR Engage for seamless navigation and real-time control, pilots can tackle complex terrains and relay critical intelligence. The simulator integrates real-world hardware used in current conflicts around the world, including the drone controller and headset for an immersive first-person drone view. When tactical operations demand greater sophistication, the AI-powered Drone Swarm Coordinator interface is ready to autonomously identify and prioritize enemy targets. Built as a VR forces behavior, the swarm coordinates complex attacks with minimal operator input, and can be monitored and controlled in real time, giving operators total flexibility. From training operators to planning complex missions, Mach's FPV Drone Simulator is a game-changer for military and tactical applications. With flexible hardware integration and simulation tools built on Mach 1, the simulator delivers a powerful and intuitive solution to prepare forces for any mission, in any environment.